See you later. Thank you, David. Hi guys, this is Maestro David. He's gonna share with you something what he learned today, and he found this very helpful. So would you, David, talk a little bit about what we discussed about the sound, the image, and proper way to start and learn the piece. So one way versus another way. Can we do that?
Sure.
Please.
So the context was kind of learning a new piece for the first time, or as you're working through a piece of any level of difficulty. The analogy was kind of to a sculpture. So one approach is to hammer through it until you kind of learn all the notes, so that you have the piece in your mind, and then go back later and put polish on it. Work on melody, work on intonation and dynamics. The other approach is to kind of take it one measure or one line at a time and kind of master that line, versus just kind of blowing through everything and then coming back. That way your muscle memory builds the same way, your ear hears the notes the same way, and that will kind of, by the end of the piece is already at a level of perfection, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Yes, so your notes will be memorized with your correct sound. Yes, very good explanation. Thank you, David.
Sure.
Thanks for watching, and hopefully you learned something from us, guys.